CenterPoint allows you to maintain multiple addresses and contact information for all the names on your names list. Name location types are used to categorize those different addresses that you're maintaining. Under Setup and Names and Name Location Types are the different address name location types that are currently installed. A billing address type, a shipping address type, and a home address type. You may want to add another one. Perhaps you're storing winter addresses for a lot of your different names. So we're going to click New to make a new one. And we can just give it a name of what we want for this name location type. And you can identify what the address type is, if it's billing, if it's business, shipping, or the one that you want to automatically pop up when you're in the Pay To field on a payment screen or a receipt screen, any of your entry screens. And we're going to go ahead and click Save. On the different addresses, you can edit anyone and change that name. It doesn't have to be the ones that are installed. You can change the name by clicking Edit. If you don't need one of the address types, you can click the delete and it will let you delete if you have not used that address in one of your names as the address type. You can create a new one by choosing copy if you have one that's similar, or you can use combine if there are two on your list and you want to merge them into one. You would select the one you want to remove, click combine, and select the one you want to merge to. Once you have your address types, those are used in your names on the addresses tab. So we're going to go up to Setup, Names, and we're going to edit one of our names. The address that shows up here on the General tab will be the address that's marked as the business address. So if we go to our Addresses tab, and look at the business address, we have these different default address types. The billing one and is used for billing statements and invoices. The business is the address that you're going to be seeing when you're on the General tab of that name. And the shipping will be the shipping address when that comes up, and the Pay To is one that defaults in the name field when you're in a data entry transaction screen. If you want to add a new address, you would click your New button, and once you click New, you would see that the new name type that we added is available for adding as a new name type. But it is not necessary to have an address, a name location type for every address that you have on here. As you see, there are two shipping addresses here. They're both using shipping address as the name location type. You only want a new name location type to identify a different category of addresses. And that is how to use your name location types.